Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.3 LTS version on Ubuntu 24.04 operating system. Open any web browser, then go to mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here, at the time of making this video, 8.4.3 is the latest stable version. But for you, it may be 8.4.4, 5 or 8.5, etc. Okay. So select LTS version, then select operating system, Ubuntu Linux, then select the version. See here, the supported Ubuntu Linux operating systems are 22, 24 and 24.10. But the installation process on all these are same. So select the Ubuntu Linux operating system version. Once we selected, see it has populated all downloadable packages. Instead of downloading each one, download this bundle. So download this Debian bundle, that is MySQL Server 8.4.3 bundle. That is tar file and its size is 474 megabytes. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download has been started and its size is 475 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, ls. See here we have MySQL Server 8.4.3 tar file. It contains .debian packages. So first we have to extract these files by using tar-xf. Then give MySQL, give the tab and hit enter. It is done. ls. See, we have these. So now we have to install all these Debian packages. So we can install by using sudo dpkg-i, then give star.deb. Hit enter. See, we got the error. See, it got failed to install these components. So the error is, see, we have to install this package. Okay. So give the sudo apt-get install, then paste that. I'm going to copy this one, paste it. So before installing, you have to run this command. I will keep this command in the video description. So install this one, type and hit enter. See, it is also installing these 3 packages. It is done. Also install this library. Also install this one also. I will keep these commands in the video description. Now ls, install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb and hit enter. It will install the MySQL Server 8.4.3. See, this time we haven't received any error. Now provide the password for the MySQL root account. And use the tab, select OK and hit enter. Then confirm the same. Then tab, OK. We have successfully installed MySQL 8.4.3. Let us verify. Ctrl L, sudo, first verify the status of MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL, hit enter. See, we have installed MySQL and it is running and it is enabled. Okay, Q to quit, Ctrl L. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u, username is root, then -p, hit enter. Then provide the password of root account that we have given. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.4.3. We can also verify, select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.4.3. If you want to see the list of the databases, show databases. See, these are the list of default databases comes with installation of MySQL Server. Now create a database, create database. See, we have successfully created. Again verify, show databases. See, new database is there. If you want to see list of users, show users. This will throw error. We can check the list of the users by running the command select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the list of the users comes with MySQL installation on Ubuntu 24.04. ls this typo. Now switch to this new database R2 schools. Verify list of tables, show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so let us create a table. Create table student. We have successfully created. Again run, show tables. See, table student is created. Now insert some data into this table. Verify the data, select star from student. If you use star means it retrieves all the column values, but if you want only particular column values, you have to give like. Okay. Until now we have performed actions by using MySQL client. We can also connect to MySQL by using MySQL Workbench. If you want to install MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu operating system, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. So exit from this MySQL client. To install MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu machine, then go to the same page, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down. Click on MySQL community downloads. See, here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it. Then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then we have to download this Debian package. So click on download. Once download, then we have to install this Debian package same as MySQL Server. The command is like sudo dpkg-i. Then we have to give this Debian package. Then we have to provide the host name information and all. Okay. I have already installed MySQL Workbench on this machine. The last option that I am going to show you is how to stop, start and restart MySQL on Ubuntu 24.04. Sudo systemctl status MySQL, hit enter. It is started. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL, hit enter. Now check the status. See, MySQL stopped. We can also check by try to connecting to MySQL. MySQL-u root-p, then provide the password of this root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So let us start it again. Just replace the status with start. Hit enter. Now check the status. See, MySQL is started. We can also check by trying to connect to MySQL. MySQL-u root-p. Provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. Now restart the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Hit enter. Verify the status again. See, MySQL service is started. The last option that I am going to show you is to clear all these files. So use the command, because we have successfully installed MySQL 8.4.3 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So these files are not required anymore. rm*.dev. Hit enter. ls. See, all files are removed. Only tar file is left. See, remove this one also. Give MySQL, give the tab and hit enter. Ls, see, we have successfully cleared the space. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.3 LTS version on Ubuntu Linux 24.04 LTS version. For more MySQL and Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.